Welcome to the channel of Hizens. We manufacture and export China high-quality ammonium sulfate in various packages and provide market dynamic trends. Let's take a look at the specific report below. The trend of ammonium sulfate in the 25th week is that demand weakens and prices decline, June 13th to 19th. 1. Price trend. According to monitoring data, the average domestic ex-factory price of ammonium sulfate was 1,523 yuan per ton on June 13th, and the average domestic ex-factory price of ammonium sulfate was 1,456 yuan per ton on June 17th. This week, the price of ammonium sulfate fell by 4.38%. 2. Market analysis. Ammonium sulfate prices fell this week. At present, the trading in the market is sluggish, the transaction is weak, and the ammonium sulfate market trend is declining. The domestic and foreign market demand has weakened, and the enthusiasm for downstream procurement has decreased. The price of urea continued to fall this week, and the side was negative for the ammonium sulfate market. Companies have lowered ammonium sulfate for shipments. Some caprolactam enterprises have been overhauled, and the supply of caprolactam-grade ammonium sulfate has been reduced. As of June 17th, coking-grade ammonium sulfate, the mainstream ex-factory price of ammonium sulfate in Shandong is around 1480, and the mainstream ex-factory price of ammonium sulfate in Hebei is around 1,420 yuan per ton. Caprolactam-grade ammonium sulfate, the mainstream ex-factory price in Shandong is about 1,500 yuan per ton, and the mainstream ex-factory price in Shanxi is about 1,450 yuan per ton. The downstream compound fertilizer market fluctuated within a narrow range this week. The price of urea, the raw material of compound fertilizer, has fallen, and the cost pressure of compound fertilizer has weakened. At present, the turnover of new orders for compound fertilizers is limited, and the demand is general. 3. Market outlook forecast. We believe that the recent ammonium sulfate market has continued to be sluggish, and the industry is mostly wait and see. The price of urea has fallen, the demand side has not followed up enough, and there are many negative factors. It is expected that the price of ammonium sulfate will continue to decline in the short term. The above is the report on the trend of ammonium sulfate in the 25th week. Welcome and thanks for subscribing to the Hizens channel. If you need to purchase or import stabilized ammonium sulfate, visit our website www.hizens.com and contact us. We won't let you down.